gonna be bike ride number 1, the Sandy River Delta. Just kind of cheating. I'm here all the time, but every time I go out for a bike ride, I'll try to go someplace different and do a little bit of a filming of it. And also, like, I'm biking with coffee, and normally I have water bottle racks right there, and I'd throw my coffee cup there, and no matter what, you know, coffee just kind of splashes out no matter what kind of good coffee cup you have. And I'd always have coffee stains on my socks, and people pointed that out forever. And I remember mentioning it to somebody once, and the person's like, "Oh yeah, well, check out this tattoo." And he pulled up his pant leg, and he had a chain ring, like a chain ring stain, like when your chain ring gets all oily and dirty and you touch it with your inner calf, and it makes a little smear imprint. He had that smear imprint tattooed, and people are always saying, you got a little grease on you. he's like, I thought I was being clever when I did it, but as the years go on, I cover it more often than not. But no water bottle cage as of yet, so no coffee on the socks. Let's get to biking. Come on, Keela. Come on, Keela.